Governor Janet Mills started her work today by making a big check mark on the to-do list. She signed a special order to start the expansion of Maine's Medicaid program.
That issue has been a battleground between Democrats and the former Republican governor for 6 years. Today, Mills apparently ended that battle. NewsCenter's Don Kerrigan reports.
Do swear.
Do swear.
After taking the oath of office, Janet Mills talked about big issues.
It is for people like my friend Patty.
Some of them personal, including the death of her friend.
She died needlessly from breast cancer, a disease that could have been diagnosed easily, early, treated, and cured. And Patty's story is not unique. Many of you have friends like Patty. This is unacceptable.
So quickly after arriving for her first day at work as governor, Janet Mills signed an executive order starting the wheels turning to finally make Medicaid available for tens of thousands more low-income adults.
It means that the Department of Health and Human Services will take every step necessary immediately to open eligibility, to find to create a portal on the website, for instance, to reach out to hospitals and providers so that when people present with issues and it's clear they may be eligible for Medicaid under the expansion, that the hospitals and providers will notify the department and help expedite those eligibility approvals.
Mills said she has also written to the U.S. Secretary of Health and Human Services asking that the federal approval process happen quickly. Maine's new Human Services Commissioner, Jean Lambrew, who hasn't even been confirmed by the Senate yet, is confident the feds will say okay.
Like the 35 other states that have filed the paperwork, we do expect approval.
Mills told reporters they don't know how quickly federal Medicaid dollars will begin flowing to Maine, but she believes people can become eligible for coverage quite soon.
I think it'll help thousands of people in the next few months especially be able to attain the benefits that they are due.
Governor LePage blocked Medicaid expansion for more than a year after the referendum vote because of money. Today, Governor Mills said the money is there to get expansion started and said long-term funding will be included in her new budget. In Augusta, Don Kerrigan, NewsCenter, Maine.
Senate Republican leader Dana Dow told NewsCenter he supports expansion of Medicaid, but will want to make sure that there is sustainable funding to pay the state's share of the cost. And speaking of Medicaid, you may recall that in the final few weeks of the LePage administration, the federal government approved a waiver for Maine's Medicaid program to allow the state to impose a work or public service requirement on some Medicaid recipients. Governor Mills says she hasn't decided yet whether to keep that requirement or reject it.